Hi friends, this is Janine Pettit, brand ambassador for Go RVing and editor-in-chief of Girl Camper magazine. I'm out here at the campground under my shady clamshell and I am perfecting the bushcraft skill of feather sticks. Feather sticks are scraps of wood and branches you find around the campground, and you curl them to create wood that is easily ignited when you're trying to start a fire. I'm not very good at it yet, but I'm determined to keep going. So here's my trick. I've got a block of wood. Some people will put this into a log that they're straddling and sit on. Don't put it in somebody else's picnic bench. That's not very nice, but I have my own block of wood that I chop wood on and I carry around with me. I got this knife stuck in here at an angle. That's important. This is just a regular survival knife, very inexpensive, and it's got paracord on it and all kinds of great little safety features too. And I got it in the wood, and now I am just gonna draw my stick. And this is better for me because I'm not going to cut myself and the knife is doing all the work. I'm just kind of guiding it, and I pull the stick across it. And the trick is to create the little curls but not knock the curls off, and you're going to lose some. And it's just a fun skill to perfect. You know, it takes time. And this is not one of my better ones, but guess what? It is going to start a fire on a windy day or a damp day. So get yourself a good survival knife, a block of wood, and a stick, and start perfecting your feather sticks.